How to make money on TikTok. TikTok has become one of the most popular video sharing platforms on the net. This is because of the brand's innovative approach towards marketing, which has made sure it targets a certain demographic of the population. It is one of the most popular and engaging platforms for sharing videos and bringing people to connect with one another. However, TikTok is not only a medium for consumption of content, it has emerged as one of the most popular ways of exploiting social media to make some huge money. Some of the leading brands of the world are coming with innovative campaigns for TikTok that help earn revenue and also promote the brand at the same time. A recent cell phone brand called Itel gained over 1 billion views on their TikTok campaign by using relevant hashtags for their social media campaign. TikTok has provided a platform for brands to generate more views on their products and reach out to their target audience. TikTok users too, on the other hand, are cashing in on this highly profitable platform using contents to gain views and increase their popularity. In this article, we are going to talk about how you, too, can make money on TikTok and the ways to go about it. Read on to find out more. Make money with TikTok. TikTok, unlike YouTube, does not share their revenue with their creators. However, TikTok creators are trying to leverage their accounts for promotions from brands and even sponsorships. They do this by creating compelling and engaging contents which become popular and gain a quite number of views. However, all of this is done by the users themselves, as TikTok does not have a model for tie-ups with brands or even promotions. The way real money is made on TikTok is through influencer marketing. The most famous TikTok stars out there earn some serious money through their popular videos. Down below we list some of the easiest ways in which you can start earning from TikTok. 1. Start with making a one-of-a-kind profile on TikTok, which will be sure to catch the eyes of your target audience. You should focus on creating contents which will become popular among your viewers and should include ideas or concepts which are trending. Your goal should be to have as many followers as possible and upload your videos on a periodic basis. 2. You can search for songs or ideas which are trending on TikTok and also include popular hashtags which other users are using in their videos. This will help your profile to be easily shown up on searches for that particular hashtag. 3. Link your YouTube and Instagram profile if you have one. This will help to add audience to your videos. 4. Once you get a decent number of followers who watch your videos regularly, you can then approach brands to showcase their ideas and products on their videos. Some of the common questions people have when it comes to their TikTok profile are: 1. How many followers you need to make money on TikTok? Answer: TikTok does not work like YouTube and there is no specific number of followers you need in order to earn. You can start getting sponsorships from brands even with as less as 1,000 followers if your content is compelling enough. However, most TikTok users said they had to reach at least 100,000 followers in order to get noticed by brands. 2. How many views you need to get money on TikTok? Answer: brands calculate the amount of money they pay to TikTok users per 1,000 views, so for you to earn a considerable amount of money, you would need at least 1 million views on your videos. 3. How many likes you need on TikTok to get paid? Answer: to be able to receive a good sum of money from sponsorships and paid partnerships, you would need at least 1 million likes on your videos. Getting followers on TikTok. Getting followers on any social media platform is all about engaging and compelling contents which bring people back for more. You want to have an audience who likes your videos and watches them whenever you upload. In order to get a huge number of followers like 100K, you need to work on the type of content you are creating. You want to make sure people genuinely like your videos and share them also on Facebook and Instagram. You should incorporate songs and ideas which are trending and can also have celebrity collabs in order to generate more views and thus earn more followers. TikTok Live. TikTok is a great way to interact with your followers in real time. You get to understand what your followers expect from you and they also get to know more about your ideas and brand. You can also try to launch products by tying up with brands if you have a decent number of followers while live. The chat option allows you to read what is going through in the minds of your followers and can also hold fun sessions with them. Can you make money watching videos on TikTok? Although TikTok or any associated brands do not pay people to watch videos, there is a third-party app called Zyn which allows you to earn cash for watching videos. People can sign up with them and create a plan which allows them to get paid after they watch a certain number of videos. Track your earnings with a money calculator. TikTok earnings can be calculated using a third-party software which calculates the amount you receive per view or per product endorsement you carry out in your videos. This can be a good way to keep track of what videos are performing well with your audience and what new ideas you can incorporate in the future. You can also try using TikTok money hacks like waiting for the best time to upload a video, or to watch out for a major event which is happening and uploading your contents related to that.